Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need prerequisites in place. Once you confirm them, start on your iPhone. Open Wallet, add or verify a debit card, and enable Apple Cash. This links your Cash card to Apple Pay. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and risk detection is on so transactions are secure. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm your Cash card is present. This prepares your watch to send and receive Apple Cash quickly. Once your Cash card is set, you can send or request money directly from messages on the watch. Open a chat, tap the Apple Cash button, rotate the digital crown to set an amount, then tap Pay or Request. Make sure to confirm the transaction. You'll double-press the side button on the watch to authorize. If Face ID is required, the paired iPhone will prompt you. This keeps the flow secure and fast and explains why confirmations differ across devices. To complete the process, review recent activity in Wallet on your iPhone to ensure the payment posted. If a transfer is pending, wait. Some moves take a few minutes. If a payment fails, first check your card balance, network connection, and that your Apple ID hasn't been restricted. These are common causes. Make sure your watch and phone are paired and updated. If problems continue, remove and re-add the Cash card or contact Apple support for account issues. They can clear holds or identity flags.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.